One of these animals was alive before Shakespeare wrote a single play. Another one may never die of old age at all. While we count our lives in decades, some creatures count theirs in centuries. These are the 7 longest living animals on Earth, and we are counting down to the one that seems to have beaten death itself. Number 7 is a slow, gentle giant of the islands. The giant tortoise can live for more than 190 years. Some tortoises alive today were born before your great-great-grandparents. They grow slowly, move slowly, and age slowly. Their bodies simply wear out far later than ours do. A single tortoise can watch entire human generations come and go. But as impressive as that is, it is only the beginning of our list. Number 6 looks like nothing more than a spiny ball on the sea floor. The Red Sea urchin can live for around 200 years. And here is the strange part. It barely seems to weaken as it ages. Very old urchins can still breed almost as well as young ones. There are few signs of the decline that old age brings to most animals. This simple creature quietly outlives almost everything around it. And the ocean hides survivors far older than this. Number 5 is a true giant of the frozen Arctic. The bowhead whale can live for more than 200 years. That makes it the longest living mammal on the planet. Some whales swimming today were alive when sailing ships still ruled the seas. Scientists have even found old harpoon tips from the 1800s inside living whales. Their cold, slow world seems to help them age gently. But the oldest animals are not always the largest. Number 4 moves through the deep like a living shadow. The Greenland shark may live for around 400 years. That makes it the longest living animal with a backbone. It grows less than a centimeter each year. A large one alive today could have been born in the 1600s. It has been cruising the dark, cold ocean for 4 whole centuries. And it does all of it in near freezing water, in almost no hurry. But even 400 years is not our record. Number 3 is a plain clam that hides an astonishing secret. The ocean quahog is a simple shellfish from the North Atlantic. One famous clam was found to be 507 years old. Scientists nicknamed it Ming, after the dynasty that ruled China when it was born. It had been alive since long before your country was even founded. You can count its age in the rings of its shell, just like a tree. An animal you could hold in one hand had lived for 5 centuries. And yet, 2 creatures here may never truly grow old at all. Number 2 is almost too small and simple to seem special. The hydra is a tiny freshwater animal, just a stalk with a ring of tentacles. But it may have found a way to cheat aging completely. Most animals slowly break down over time. The hydra does not. It constantly rebuilds its own body with fresh cells. In the right conditions, scientists have struggled to see it age at all. Left undisturbed, a hydra might simply keep going and going, but one last animal takes this even further. Number 1 may be the closest thing to immortal life on Earth. This jellyfish is smaller than your fingernail. When it is old, injured or starving, it does the impossible. Its body folds back in on itself and returns to an earlier stage of life. It becomes a baby again, and then grows up all over again. In theory, it can repeat this cycle without end. It does not have to die of old age like everything else alive. Predators can still eat it, so it is not truly unkillable. But left alone, it may simply live and reset again and again. In a world where everything runs out of time, this tiny creature found a loophole. From a tortoise that outlives dynasties to a jellyfish that restarts its own life, nature has been quietly defeating time for millions of years. If this amazed you, subscribe and stay curious with us. And if living forever caught your attention, wait until you meet the animals that can survive almost anything. We will see you in the next one.